Welcome in, folks. We're joined by Samantha Kennelly from Children's Miracle Network, and we have Kathy Swigert from the Giant Corporation, because we're talking about this Roundup campaign that's happening this summer with Giant and Martin Food Stores and Children's Miracle Network. Sam, Kathy, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, thank you.
So Kathy, I want to start with you. Obviously, I've seen this happen before with Giant and Martin's partnering with Children's Miracle Network. Why is it so important for the Giant company to get involved?
Well, here at the Giant Company, we truly believe that all children deserve to live a happy, healthy life. And one of our three focus areas for our community pillars for engagement is changing children's lives. So we're committed to working with partners like the Children's Miracle Network in order to be able to pursue our passion, which is helping children.
And you know, with the Roundup, you know, people see it on the self takeout screens or hear a cashier ask them about it, and you think, oh, what's 57 cents? What's 10 cents? Kathy, how have you seen the money that you guys have collected go into action?
Yeah, so even though it's a small amount in one transaction, all of those transactions across our footprint really add up to a large impact for the Children's Miracle Network, and being able to provide life-saving equipment, preventative programs, and the very best care to families who need it. And all of that money that we raise stays locally and does go to the Janet Weiss Geisinger's Children's Hospital. So that allows us to know that we're making an impact, but also that the money of our consumers are staying local, and that is very important to us.
So Sam, I want to ask you, I know we've talked to a couple of companies throughout the time that we've been able to speak, and obviously with Giant and Martin's, where do you see this money go into action, especially locally, to help the kids and the services that you guys provide?
Yeah, I mean, Kathy said it best. All of the money does stay local, and it goes towards things like life-saving equipment, fun things like summer camps for kids with cancer and cystic fibrosis. When you get asked to round up 17 cents or asked to donate $1 at the register, initially you might not think that you're really going to make an impact, but really you are. I mean, Giant is a great example. They've been a partner since 1997, and them, along with all of Giant's customers, have raised over $7 million for Geisinger Janet Weiss Children's Hospital through campaigns like the Register campaign, and they do a golf tournament and in-store fundraisers, and it just really goes to show that the smallest donations really add up.
Kathy, when you hear numbers like that, $7 million and the impact it makes, you know, as someone who works at that company, how does that make you feel about the impact that a small thing like a Roundup campaign can really make in a child's life?
So personally, I couldn't be more proud of the company that I work for and their passion to impact communities. And having children myself, I think this is really near and dear to my heart. And I'm just so excited to be able to raise that kind of money to make a difference in people's lives.
So we want to remind the folks at home, from June 1st through August 31st, Martin's and Giant Food Stores are participating in this campaign. Easy to do. If you're at the self-checkout, it asks if you like the Roundup for the Children's Miracle Network. The cashiers will ask you directly as well. And it's really easy to make an impact. Sam, Kathy, do you want to add anything about how people can help?
Yeah, I can add that not only can you round up at the registers, but Martin's Giant, we have the Choice Rewards program where you accumulate points. We actually will allow our customers to donate the points that they accrue, convert those to cash, and make a donation on their behalf. And also we are selling environmentally friendly bags, reusable bags that they can purchase at the registers, and all the proceeds go to the Children's Miracle Network during this campaign. So some different avenues that they can help out if they'd like.
That is awesome. Kathy, Sam, thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank you, Jordan.
Folks, we have much more still to come on the show today. Stay with us.